Hi and welcome to Excel Vehicle Management System. This is my storage area for the form, so if I want to go back, I can always click on back to form. There we go. And now supposing we have a customer who wants to purchase a car from us, we can always enter the name of this customer there. Let's say the customer name is Steve Michael, right? And the surname is, let's say, is Ade Jones. Address number 18, let's say Echo Road, okay, maybe Lagos. Then postcode, let's say JJ 88. Telephone number, email address Steve M at Hotmail. And then we can then select the type of car Steve would like to buy. Maybe he wants Bugatti, and does he intend to trade in his old car, his old Bugatti? Yes. Now he wants the following accessories in his new car. Now let's find out the total. That's what it's going to cost him. It's going to cost him 292,000 plus. Okay, so we can then enter our receipt there. Alright, let's enter his details there. Then if you want to see his details stored on the spreadsheet, just click on open, and there we go. That is Steve. That's Steve's details there. Very cool, Lagos. Back there. Supposing we have my good friend in Canada, my Canadian friend, yeah, Phyllis, Canada. Let's see. Oh, let's give his surname as Canada. An address, I don't know any road there, so let's just say Kingsley Way. Alright, so postcode, telephone number, and email address Phyllis at Canada.com. Right. What kind of car does he want? Rolls Royce? Does he have any? Does he want to trade in a car? No. And I reckon he wants all of these, and just select and click on total. Okay. So what I'll do now is to take you guys straight into Excel development environment, and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now. Hi and welcome to Excel. In this very project, I'm going to be developing vehicle sales trading management system. So let's start by clicking on developer. Once you click on the developer, we'll come to Visual Basic. But supposing if you don't have the menu itself, you can always come in here and select options, and in there go to customize ribbon. Right in the customize ribbon, make sure developer is checked and you click on OK. Then you can always come here and just select Visual Basic. Okay, the next thing is, let's come in here, select insert, user form, That's my user form right there. The next thing is I'm going to define the size of my user form. Let me go for about the width. I'm going to go for about 1000 plus 1020 for the width, and the height I might go for maybe, let's go for 700. Now the next thing is select the frame and enter my frame right there, and let me change the background color of this frame to something a little bit darker. I think that might be too dark. Yeah, that's fine, and let's give it a name. This is going to be my customer, as customer details. And now let's increase the font size of that. Maybe let's make it 16 bold. Customers details. I'm going to need a couple of these. Click on it, hold down the control, drag it across, and one more to this side. And I need 3 more, one down. There we go. Now I have all my frameworks. Okay, now let's run it. That is how it looks like. So I will now modify the whole lot. The first thing I want to do is right here, I'm going to need label. I have a label there, and inside I have a label. I'm going to enter the customer's name. So that would be name. Now I need more of those labels. Okay, here let's enter address, or maybe this should be customer's first name and so on. Let's go for first name, and we're going to need surname here. This is the address. Then next one here, let's call it postcode. Yeah, that's all right. Then telephone number. And maybe one more for email. One for email. Right. Now that we have all of those, let's position it properly. Then we're going to now need TextBox. Yeah. Grab one TextBox here and just copy it across. One more. And there we go. So that is the customer details now ready. Now the next thing we need is we now need combo box. Yeah, combo box right here. In the case of the combo box, let's copy 2 of these across. One here, one there, and one more combo box here. Right. And this is going to be, let's call the first one, choose a call. And the second one is going to be, let's call the first one trade in a car. Right. Okay, trade in a car, choose a car. Right. Okay, I'm going to also need 2 more of this. In fact, 3 more. Yeah, 2 more each. Yeah, one here. Right here, this is going to be known as cost of car, and here that is car mileage. mileage. This is car mileage. I think this thing is gonna take too long to design, so I may have to speed up the whole design of the interface and get back to you guys. Okay guys, I've finished the design of the interface. Let me show you guys how it looks. You have to bear with me because it will take too long, so I have to design the whole interface. So all of these are just text box. You can see where you can enter data in there, and this is a combo box. Nothing is done to those combo box here. These are labels here, labels here, and this is checkbox. Then we have buttons here, and here we have a text box. So the next thing I want to do now is maybe take care of the reset button first. So let's come in here, double click on the reset button right there. Those are the lines of code for the reset buttons. Okay, so if I run the program now and enter any data in here and click on reset there, you see. Then the next one is, let's take care of this very one. So double click on exit, and those are the lines of code for exits. As you can see, I declare a variable and I pass on the message to the variable, and that is it right there. So once it's yes, the system becomes exit. Alright, so I have exit and I have resets. Now back onto the form. The next thing we want to do is to initialize. Let's double click on the form itself and select initialize right here, there. So those two combo box, we should actually give them a name. Let's call it CHK. No, that's a combo. C, that will be and this one is going to be called travel or mileage, CHK mileage, or CMB mileage. So this one is CMB car. Alright. So when we double click on our form, we'll get back into, okay, right here in the initialize, I'm going to call CMB car dot add item, and in there I'm just going to enter select, or let's say Lamborghini instead of selecting for now. I think there's a G. Yeah, that's the name of my first car. And in here, let's see if it's going to work with dot text. That is equals select car. Right now, I'm going to copy this. Okay, the next one is going to be maybe Bugatti. Bugatti. There's a T on it there. And followed by, let's go for Rolls Royce. We have a Rolls Royce. And let's go for a Mercedes Benz. And something like that. Okay, the next one, let's take care of the next one. That's going to be CMB. I think it's called mileage. Mileage dot, wrong name, let's see. Let's check out the name first. Oh, it's WG. No, that's wrong. I'm gonna copy that. Come in there. Dot this case is going to be, let's say we go for 100 by 500 by 5,000 really. 100 by 5,000, and let's copy, and the other allowed mileage is going to be 5,001 up to 10,000. And 10,001 up to 20,000. Those are my mileage that are allowed. So if I run it, we can select our car, whatever car we want, and there. Okay, that's fine. Now let's come in here, exit. Yeah, that's working fine. Back into, yeah, I'm going to copy this, so that's going to be part of my reset function. There, yeah, that's reset. Copy this as well and paste it inside reset. Right. Now I have all of these. I don't think they have a name. No, there's no name on that. So that's going to be LBL tax, LBL subtotal, and LBL total. LBL total. Right. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up the whole process, give all of these components a name. Okay, they all have a name now. So if I come in here, let's go into reset. I can call the labels by name. I would have liked to actually call this label using this same method, but the problem is it will wipe out all the content on the label. So let's just call it individually. Maybe if you guys would like to know what I'm talking about, if I come in here, let's say I change these to labels and change this to label itself. If I click on label, all of this will be gone. So let's see if I'm right. Click on that, you see that it's all gone, and we do have an error even. Let's see. Here it is, the error there. Okay, let's try it again. If I click on that, let's see what happened now. Yeah, in the case of label, it's going to be label text dot caption. Caption. Let's go for caption. Yeah, you see what I mean? So that's my reason. I'm just going to, I will not use that. Okay, I would call each individual then. So get rid of this. Alright, get rid of this and just go for LBL tax there, dot text dot caption, sorry, LBL subtotal dot caption clear, LBL total, LBL first name, no, there's no first name, then we have LBL mile. Let's see what else I have in there. I have all of these. Yeah. LBL modified. LBL GPS. LBL stereo. Okay, that's the road ladder. There'll be a ladder interior. Clear. Customize. And I think that'll be all. I'll be able to customize. Okay. Now, in the case of all these, so I'm going to have to enter 0 in there because there's 0 anyway in there. Manage in this, and let's see in here. We don't have to have anything in here. You can always delete all the content there. Right. Okay. So all of that is taken care of. All that is left for us to do is the total. Okay, I'm just reconsidering. Maybe we should take care of this first. Okay, let's come in here. Let's run it again. Select this. What happened there? Debug. Oh, that should be there. That's just testing. Okay, this is supposed to be label. Okay, list box. Okay, let's go back into, double click on the receipt, get rid of this. That should be list box there. Dot add item, and the item we're going to be adding, let's say the first one might be name, customer's name. That's first name. Let's say tab plus surname. Okay, first name and surname. Let's see first. I'll click on that. Yeah, I have first name, surname, so those can be underneath or right beside it. Right. Okay. Now let's go back in here, and here I'm going to now enter, because that's just going to be for the receipt. So plus txt first name dot text, right, plus txt surname dot text, right. We have both customer's name in there. We're gonna have to reduce the size of this to maybe about 12 so that we have enough room. So if we run it, we can always get the customer's name. Too fast, yeah. Okay, if we add, we get the customer's details. Alright, that's good. We need some space in there though. First name, second name, and underneath here we're gonna have to add some more data onto it. Okay, now let's come in here. You see here total, double click on total. Let's declare as follow: name, item, or cars. Let's say that is double, right. Okay, that's my car there. So the first part of it is going to be space that's 0, 0. So let's say that's going to be equals LBL car dot caption, and the next one, which is car 0. Okay, one more. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going to be LBL mile. Yeah, LBL modify, LBL stereo, LBL then customized, LBL GPS. There's one more somewhere. Let's check that out. Okay. Back in here, so that's going to be equals LBL that caption. Okay. Now we have all of those in the array, so let's come to LBL car in 7 equals, we're adding all of these together, so let's add them all together. Alright, so let's add this now into no, that would be 8, because we want to work out the tax equals 7 multiply that by, let's go for 0.45. Okay, so LBL tax dot caption equals car 8. LBL subtotal dot caption equals car 7. LBL total dot caption equals both of them 8 plus, let's copy it first, plus 7. Okay, though it's not going to do anything, the answer might end up be 0. 6, what is 6? Yeah, 6. It's supposed to be cars. Let's go back in there. Where is total? Double click on total. That'll be cars. Should be S there. Right. Let's try it again. So if I click, oh, there's one more. Come on. Hopefully it's all right now. You see that? Okay, so at least we know it works. But this one will determine everything. Double click on that. So let's come in here and use an if statement. Let's say if that's dot text equals, I think I'm beginning. Let's see, where is it? Somewhere here. Yeah, equals this. Then LBL core dot caption equals, so let's go for maybe 900,000. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, let's finish it up. Else if it's this, there, and change the price of this. I don't know the price though. I'm just gonna make up my own price. Yeah, something like that. Let's do more. Right. If it's Rolls Royce, copy, paste Rolls Royce there. And if it's Benz, paste Benz right there. And let's change the price around. That's for the Benz, and for the Rolls, let's go for, yeah, something like that. Okay, that is all done. So that means when I run it and select any of these cars, I should get the price in there, or the value of the cars. Okay, then click on that. That'll give me that. Okay, with that, for now, I'm gonna call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the second part.